My name is Justin Ochoa. I am a personal trainer and strength coach here in Indianapolis. Getting ready to go into a spine surgery on my L5-S1 lumbar spine. So I'll be seeing Dr. Schwartz for that. We're going to do a micro discectomy. And so I'm going to be taking you guys through the process of what this whole process looks like over the next couple weeks leading up to my surgery. You guys are going to see my surgery and then going to see the recovery process and how that whole thing works. So it's going to be a informative and interesting ride back to recovery. I first experienced the symptoms of this injury about 10 years ago. I'm 27 years old right now, and so this, I believe, is stemming from an old basketball injury that happened when I was 17. So at the time, I only cared about athletics, and so I didn't really want to deal with healing things the proper way. And I believe that that poor decision compounded over time and probably led me to get in this situation that I'm in today with needing surgery at such a young age. When it got really, really bad was around winter of 2014. I basically was probably in the best shape of my life at the time. Went down to give my dog a treat and collapsed. My back pretty much gave out on me. I lost all feeling in my left leg for probably 2 to 3 minutes, and it was really scary because I had no idea that it had become that bad. So I went to OrthoIndy and I got referred to a physical therapist, in which I completed the program and kind of monitored the pain, but it never really went away. I've gotten multiple injections on different areas, doing different things. Had some relief initially with those, but it never really bought me enough time to properly fix the problem. Eventually, that path led me to a consultation with Dr. Schwartz. After I did several injections with Dr. Langhorst, and Kate Van Poppel was also part of my team there at OrthoIndy. They referred me to Dr. Schwartz. I met with him for about 30 minutes, and he basically told me, if you were my son, I would recommend you to get the surgery. And so that to me gave me that trust and relationship with my doctor, that I was able to make a conscious decision and talk it over with my family, my wife, and our 2 kids. I'm ready, anxious, excited, a little nervous, but I know I'm in good hands, so it should be a pretty awesome experience to wake up and not be in pain for the first time in pretty much 10 years. So I'm looking forward to it.